Hi guys, it's Arthur from PositiveBanana.com, sales coaching in any workplace, anywhere in the UK. Now, whether you're the manager of a small business or a contact centre, call centre or a large corporate company, it's very important to make sure that your staff perform to their very best and to make as many sales as possible. What we offer is one of our coaches to visit your workplace, get all your staff together, whether you've got a couple of staff, 4, 5 or maybe 20 or more. If you're a contact centre, it doesn't matter, and anywhere in the UK, what we will do, we will show them how to make more sales, how to overcome objections, the very best sales strategies, and to show them how to perform to their very best ability and be motivated. Now, it works, it really does, and certainly it doesn't matter where you are in the UK. Have a look what we offer. From as little as £397 for 4 hours, we'll visit your workplace and we'll get your staff performing to their very, very best. Go to PositiveBanana.com, have a look at the About Me page first of all, and you can have a look and see what we offer, what services. Go to Business Coach at the top of PositiveBanana.com, scroll down and see what service you want to actually have. Now, if you're an individual in sales, you want to make sure that you get as much bonus as possible. And what we do offer is individual sales coaching. Now, sales coaching, you'll have good tuition. We'll show you exactly how to make sales. At the end, we'll give you a certificate of achievement. We'll also give you the best tutoring available, all in a few hours, and we can offer you a guaranteed interview into a sales job. We've got contacts in private medical insurance and many areas where we can get you into a sales job and make sure that you get the best bonus available. Now, if you're a business anywhere at all in the UK as well, what we do offer is help to really promote your business. If you're a business, we can give you 2 free tickets to a business event where you can network with other businesses, joiners, builders, other trades, and you'll get a guaranteed advertisement in the ad phone. Now, the ad phone, if I show you that, that's the ad phone directory. It's a beautiful little thing. You'll get an advertisement very much like what you see just there, and the advertisement will promote your business. Now, going back to sales, wherever you are in the UK, get our staff, get our trainer to come to your workplace and let us show your staff how to perform to the very, very best. So go to PositiveBanana.com, go to Business Coach and let us visit your workplace. All the best. Bye.